Hello once again, first graders. Today we are having math. And we are continuing with our unit about measurement. We are having a continuation with our topic about measurement. But today we shall be looking at measuring weight using spring scales. Okay, measuring weight using spring scale. We shall look at what a spring scale is and how we can use it to measure weight. But before we get into our lesson, let's start with the vocabulary. One, we have pen. We are gonna see how a pen looks like. Two, face. What kind of face are we talking about? We shall be finding out in a minute. Then we have pointer. We shall see what this pointer is. We have the word kilograms. And lastly, we have the word grams. Let's proceed. What is this picture right here? What is this picture? These two pictures are the same. One is not having any object to be measured, while the other has some objects to be measured, but they are all the same. How do we call these? Well, this is a spring scale. This is a spring scale, and a spring scale is used to measure the weight of an object. Okay, spring scales are used to measure the weights of objects. As we go on, we are going to see some of the examples of how we can measure weight using the spring scale. But before we get into that, let's first get to know the different parts of the spring scale. Let's get to know the different parts of the spring scale. One, we have what we call a pen. Well, that right there is the pen. And the pen, this is where we place the object that we are gonna measure. Okay, the pen is where we place the object that we are gonna measure. Pen. That's it. So we have what we call our face. Okay, face. The face has the numbers and a scale. We find a scale and numbers on the face. And lastly, we have our pointer. Okay, pointer. We use the pointer to tell us the exact weight of the object that we are measuring. Okay, so we have pen, face, and pointer. Pen, face, pointer. Those are the three most important parts of a spring scale. Point to note. A point to note. Standard units of weight and mass measurement. Standard units of weight and mass measurements. What are these standard units? We have kilogram, kilogram, kilogram in the short form, or it's abbreviated as kg, kg, kg. Kilogram in full and in short or abbreviation form is kg. And then also we have gram, okay, gram, abbreviated as G, the letter G. Gram is abbreviated as G or written in the short form as G. Well, let's look at our example number 1. This is what we call a spring scale, okay? This is a spring scale, and we say a spring scale has a pen. This is the pen face that has a scale and the pointer. Okay, so the carrots weigh blank kg. The carrots weigh blank kgs. Right here, we are supposed to determine the weight of the carrots. So, having our spring balance right here, we came and look at the scale. The scale is labeled from 0 to 10, okay? From 0 to 10. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And looking at the pointer, the pointer tells us the weight of the carrots or how much the carrots weigh. So this pointer is pointing at 1, okay? The pointer is pointing at 1, meaning the carrots weigh 1 kilogram. The carrots weigh 1 kilogram. Example 2. We have spring balance right here, and this time round we are measuring the weight of the fruits. It's carrying different fruits. I can see apples, I can see oranges, and the yellow ones are bananas. So we are going to determine the weight of these fruits. The fruits weigh blank kilograms. The fruits weigh blank kilograms. But when we look at our scale here carefully, we can see that the pointer, this is the pointer, it's red in color and it's pointing at number 5. It's pointing at number 5, meaning the fruits weigh 5 kilograms. The fruits weigh 5 kilograms. Now the instructions say draw the pointer for each weight. This time round we are gonna draw the pointer for each. It says the grapes weigh 3 kilograms. The grapes weigh 3 kilograms. Let's look at our spring scale. These are the grapes. These are the grapes, and we are measuring the weight of the grapes using the spring scale. So I'm going to need you to get your pencils, and if you have a book, you can try it out. So the instructions say draw the pointer. This time we're gonna be drawing the pointer. Okay, so the grapes weigh 3 kilograms. So we look at our scale and draw the pointer facing 3 kilograms from the center here. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we draw the pointer from the center to the number 3. Okay, make sure your lines are straight. So the grapes weigh 3 kilograms. The pointer points at the number 3. The shoes weigh 10 kilograms. The shoes weigh 10 kilograms. This is our spring scale, and this time we are measuring the weight of the shoes. Let's look for 10. We start counting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is here. We draw our pointer from the center to 10 kilograms. Okay, to 10 kilograms, just like that. And now let's measure the weight of the water bottle. So the water bottle weighs 6 kilograms. The water bottle weighs 6 kilograms. This is the water bottle. So let's look for 6 kilograms. We start counting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is here, right here. So we draw our pointer from the center to 6 kilograms. Okay, make sure it's from the center to 6 kilograms. 6 kilograms. Just like that, okay? From the center to 6 kilograms. The soda can weighs 2 kilograms. The soda can weighs 2 kilograms. This is the soda can, and we are measuring the weight of the soda can, but it says it weighs 2 kilograms. So we look for 2 kilograms on our scale. We start counting from 0. 0, 1, 2. So these are 2 kilograms right here. We draw from the center to 2, okay? So that's 2. So that's 2 kilograms. And that has been it for our lesson today. In math, we looked at measuring weight using the spring scale. We say the spring scale has the pen, face, and pointer. And if you want to measure the weight, you place the object onto the pen and then look at the face of the spring scale. It has numbers or a scale that will tell us the kilograms of the object. Thank you for listening. Have a great day and see you soon. Goodbye.